Get that shirt off of Hannah. Go on, get it off of her. Yeah. Jeez, take it off. Ooh, Hannah's got crazy laser eyes. No, easy, stop. Take the shirt off of her, okay? Go on. Thank you. Why did you do that? Huh? Jeez. Oh. Hi. How are you? Give me kisses. Blow me kisses. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Yep, thank you. Bye-bye.